In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the form submission message in Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit from your dashboard. Once the site loads, click Design Site to open the editor. Next, go to the page that contains the form you want to update. Click on the form to select it, and then choose Edit Form. This will open the Form Builder, where you can manage the settings for that specific form. At the top of the Form Builder, click the Settings tab. After that, look to the left sidebar and select Confirmation Message. This section controls what visitors see after they submit the form. Under the option labeled When a Form is Submitted, choose Show a Message. Once that setting is selected, you will see the Confirmation Message editor. In that editor, remove the default text and type the custom submission message you want your visitors to see. You can keep it simple and professional, such as a thank you message or a short note confirming that the form was received. After entering your new text, use the Preview panel to check how the message will appear to visitors on your site. This is a useful step because it lets you confirm that the wording looks right and matches the style of your website. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner of the Form Builder. Then close the Form Builder to return to the main Wix editor. From there, click Preview so you can test the form yourself. Submit the form and make sure your new confirmation message appears correctly after submission. If the message looks the way you want, click Publish to make the update live on your website. This is a quick change, but it can make your forms feel much more polished and helpful for your visitors. A clear submission message lets people know their information was successfully sent and can also set expectations for what happens next. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.